Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite a server on the PokeNotify Discord. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using PokeNotify and for some reason you want to go ahead and favorite a server on their Discord just because there's so many channels. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's go on to the PokeNotify Discord server. Now, I'm on a mobile device, my Apple iPhone actually, iPhone 13. So once you're inside the PokeNotify server, in order to have like this favorites section here, all you've got to do is find a server, hold on it, and then you can see that you have the option to actually go ahead and favorite it. So once you favorite a server, it's going to appear on the upper hand corner where it says favorites. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and favorite a server on the PokeNotify Discord. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.